You are very fortunate that Caitanya Mahāprabhu has come to your country to teach you how you become free of all anxiety. This is Caitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. Everyone is full of anxiety, but everyone can be free from all the anxieties if he follows the path chalked out by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And what is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction? Very simple. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama iva kevalam kalau nasti gatirana. This is not Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's personal version. This is in the scripture, Vedic scripture, beyond Naradiya Purana. This instruction is there. As people are fallen in this age, the method also has been offered very simple. They cannot follow any strong or severe austerities. It is not possible. They have been recommended simply to chant the holy name of God. That's all. Anyone can do. It is not difficult at all. Then if you say that you are from India, your Chaitanya is Indian, and he is recommending Hare Krishna, why shall I chant? I have got my own God. All right. If you have got your own God, then you chant his name. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doesn't say that you chant simply Krishna's name. If you have got any relationship with God, and if you know his name and address, then you chant his name. Unfortunately, you do not know who is God. Neither you know his address, neither his activities. So take this Krishna. Here is a solid name, and he give you his address, his father's name, his mother's name, everything. If you have got your own God's name, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you can chant. Have you got any name? Anyone? God's name? Nobody knows?
Jehovah.
Jehovah. All right, you chant Jehovah. So that is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's recommendation. That if you think that this is God's name, you chant. Nam namakari bahuda nija sarva shakti tatrarpita niyamita smaranena kal. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction. That name of, holy name of God is as good as God. We cannot see God. We can see, but not immediately. When we are advanced, we can see God, talk with him. But because we are not competent now, so if we know this is the name of God, let us chant it. That's all. It is a very difficult job. Anyone will say it is a very difficult job. Chant the name of, holy name of God. Then what will happen? If you chant the holy name of God, then your heart, which is considered to be mirror, just like you see your face on the mirror, similarly, you can see your position on the mirror of the heart, core of the heart. You can see. That is called meditation. At the present moment, our heart is covered with the dust of material concepts. I am Indian, I am American, I am that. This is all dust. You have to cleanse this. Just like on the mirror, if there is a layer of dust, you cleanse it, then you see your real face. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Chetadattanamarjanam. By chanting the holy name of the Lord, you will gradually cleanse the dust which is covering the core of your heart. Very simple. Go on chanting. And then What will be the position? Bhava Mahadavagni Nidvapanam. These blazing fire of anxieties of material existence will be over immediately. Simply by this method. Chanting. If you have got any name, if you have got objection to chant Hare Krishna, so whatever name of God you know, you chant. This is our movement. We don't say that you have to. But this is accepted by Caitanya Mahāprabhu, Hare Nama. So, if you have no objection, you can chant Hare Krishna. And if you think that the Hare Krishna is imported from India, we shall not chant. All right, you chant your own God's name. Where is the objection? But chant the name of holy name of God. That is our propaganda. Cheta darpana marjanam bhava mahadavagni nidvapanam. And as soon as you become clean of your heart, then the anxiety nasojati na kankati will gradually increase. Then you will understand that I am neither American, neither Indian, nor cat, nor dog, but I am the part and parcel of the Supreme Lord. Then, if you understand that you are part and parcel of the Supreme Lord, then you will understand your business. Just like in your body, you have got so many parts and parcels. You have got the hands, you have got the legs, you have got the head, you have got the fingers, you have got the ear, you have got the nose, so many parts. So what is the business of all these parts of your body? The business of parts of the body to maintain the body properly, to serve the body. Just like this finger is there, I am feeling some discomfort, immediately my finger comes and serves automatically. Therefore the conclusion is that it is the business of the part and parcel of God to serve God. That is the only business. Natural business. So when you are engaged in the service of the Lord, because you will understand by chanting the holy name of Lord, you will understand who is Lord and what is His advice, what does He want, service from me, then you will be engaged in that service. That is the perfection of your life. This is Krishna Consciousness Movement. Cheta darpanamarjanam bhava mahadavagni nidvapanam kairava chandrika vitaranam. And as soon as you become clean of all dirty things, then your actual progress of life begins. Just like kairava chandrika, just like the moon, on the first day it is just like a line, then gradually increases. The body and the moon sign increases. Therefore this comparison is given. The more you become Krishna conscious, the shining of your life increases. Saya kairava chandrika vitaranam vidyavadhu jivanam. Then this life will be full of knowledge. Vidyavadhu jivanam. Anandambadhi vardhanam. And to increase the life of knowledge means ananda. Ananda means pleasure. We want pleasure. So, you will get more and more pleasing life. Anandambati vardhanam. And pratipadam purnamrita swadanam. And every step of life, as we are in the material way of life, we are experiencing only unpleasant difficulties. The just opposite means the ocean. So this ocean does not increase. But when you come to the spiritual ocean of ananda, blissfulness, it will increase daily. Just like these boys, they are coming from Europe, America, they are not Indians. But why they are sticking to this Krishna Consciousness Movement? Unless they are increasing their transcendental pleasure. They are not fools and rascals. they are educated. Why they have taken to this Anandam Buddhivardhanam? It is increasing the transcendental place. So anyone who takes to this process, he will increase his Anandam Buddhivardhanam. Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam, and he will be able to test what is the meaning of life, what is the meaning of pleasure. Parang Vijayati Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. All glories to the chanting of Hare Krishna mantra. So this is the process. Our Krishna Consciousness Movement is spreading this knowledge as far as possible, and by Krishna's grace we have got this temple in Melbourne, and it is all very creditful to our disciple Srimad Madhud Swami, and you take advantage of it. That is my only request. If you do not do anything, simply come and join chanting, you will gradually know, very soon. Atasya Krishna namadi na bhavet grayam indriyai. The Krishna, his name, his form, his activities, his qualities, we cannot understand with these blunt material senses. It is not possible. Atasya Krishna namadi na bhavet grayam indriyai. Then we have got this only possession, indriyas, how we shall understand? Sevanmukhi jivhadu. If you engage your senses in the service of the Lord, sameva spuratada, then Krishna will reveal to you the hereafter. This is the process. Now, this word is very significant. Sevanmukhi jivhadu. Jivha means tongue. If you simply engage your tongue in the service of the Lord, you will gradually develop. How to engage the tongue? It is not said that if you see or if you touch, if you smell, no. If you taste. So what is the business of the tongue? The business of the tongue, that we can taste nice food stuff and we can vibrate. Do these two jobs. Vibrate with your tongue Hare Krishna and take as much as possible prasad, and you become a devotee. Thank you very much.